Sound that can make you cringe, and children can cough so hard they actually break ribs and turn blue.
Now, this is treatable, but if it's not dealt with swiftly, whooping cough can be deadly. News 5's John London talks with local parents and with doctors. John?
Well, Jack and Cheryl, they're seeing significant spikes in northern Kentucky, Indiana, central Ohio. Babies are most vulnerable, and parents can be carriers. This young Erlanger couple is taking no chances, not with 3-month-old Witten to pamper and protect.
Have you had a tetanus shot in the past 2 years?
They've heard about the whooping cough cases. What they don't want to hear is Witten sounding like this. That's the deep paroxysm of pertussis, highly contagious, potentially life-threatening. New mom Donna Neese has month-old Logan at the clinic today.
I know last year it was really bad in the middle schools because my mom works there, and I know it's even worse this year.
She's already had what Danny and Brittany are getting today, a vaccination so that they don't inadvertently infect their baby.
I'm glad I got it now, though, so he don't get sick on me.
Northern Kentucky normally sees 18 or so cases a year. There are 118 so far this year, half of them affecting kids under 5. Which is why it's so important for parents, grandparents, caregivers to roll up their sleeves.
We need as many adults to get their booster shot, and something called Tdap.
This is it, tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis. It's easy to confuse whooping cough with a cold because the initial symptoms are similar. But 2 weeks in, that cough deepens.
It is heartbreaking. The children are gasping for air as they cough, and they just can't stop.
Community immunity is what they're shooting for this holiday.
I guess next is the flu shot.
And the health department in northern Kentucky is encouraging everyone between 11 and 64 to get that Tdap booster shot. They're concerned that the outbreak, Cheryl, could get worse as we get into winter.